Hey y'all, if you want to see how I made this rhinestone tumbler, go ahead and grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and keep watching, because this one came out so good. So this mix right here was curated by Crystal from Bling. It's called Ladies in Blue. Now Crystal's a cop, yep, a real life hero, and she's all about that pink and blue combo. So this mix blends different shades of pink with just a kiss of blue. It's girly, bold, and a little bit fierce. The Premier Pack also came with Peach Blossom and Blue Opalite, plus a Star Badge acrylic blank and some glitter from Diamonds and Dust. Of course, y'all know I had to add my own twist. I threw in Neon White Luster, Peach Opalite, Onyx in SS8, Neon Pine, and Enchanted Mocha Lime. Because why not? Make it extra magical, right? For the base, I'm using a 20-ounce skinny from the Stainless Steel Depot. I taped off the bottom and prepped it with Dixie Belle bonding balls. Then I made two separate stencils, one for the floral pattern to get my sizing right, and another full zebra wrap to cover the entire cup. I started by weeding out the flower outline and painted it black with my acrylic paint markers. Then I filled in the leaves, skipping the flowers for now because I couldn't decide on their final color yet. After that, I wrapped the zebra stencil around the cup and started weeding out the areas I wanted to color. Originally, I planned on a classic zebra look using the Premier Pack colors for the flowers, but then I thought, no, let's make it more fun. So instead, I colored the zebra print using 4 shades, counting white, just to really let those colors pop. Once the zebra print was down, I focused on coloring around the flowers to make sure they stayed the focal point. I even colored up the smaller details because honestly, with everything going on, it was about to get a little too busy. Now, I didn't film the start of the sewing process since I was working away from my setup, but I outlined the flowers with Onyx SS8s and I filled in the rest. Once I got to the zebra print, oh, it went fast. Since the lines are all squiggly, you can use fewer stones and still get great coverage. I actually finished this cup while I was in Gatlinburg, so if you're curious about how I travel with my rhinestones, I've linked that video below. And here it is, y'all, the finished product. I absolutely loved how this turned out. If you're obsessed with this mix like I am, it's available today, October 15th, at diamondfirerhinestones.com. And remember, if you want your own premiere pack, it drops on the 1st of every month. Use my code Tiana10 to save a little sparkle money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more blinged out creations.